ChatGPT-4 is a powerful language model developed by OpenAI. It is not currently available for free public use. However, there are various applications and platforms that use ChatGPT-4, and you can access them for free. One way to use ChatGPT-4 for free is to visit websites or applications that offer a ChatGPT integration. Some examples include Hugging Face's Transformers, OpenAI's Playground, and DialoGPT's website. Once you're on the website or application, look for the ChatGPT option or button. Click on it to start the chatbot, and then type your message or question into the chat box provided. ChatGPT-4 will analyze your input and generate a response based on its training data. It's important to keep in mind that ChatGPT-4 is a machine learning model. It may not always provide accurate or complete responses to your queries. Additionally, some websites or applications may have limits on the number of queries you can make per day or other restrictions.